It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.